If you're in college, if you're looking for part-time income, if you're looking for passive income, if you're looking for some easy pocket money, this video is for you. I'm talking about an opportunity that has never been seen before in India. I am talking about a print-on-demand based platform that allows you to create your own merchandise store and have a whole e-commerce store in just 30 minutes without any investment. I'm talking about Meerize. Meerize.io is a website that will allow you to create your own merchandising store within 30 minutes and sell your unique and cool designs, or sell the pre-existing designs which have licenses from companies like Marvel, DC, Disney. Just imagine the kind of impact and sales you can have. And we do not stop you from setting your own prices. You can have as much profit or as little profit as you want. It's totally dependent on you. The only thing you need to do is go to Meerize.io, sign up, create your store, enter your details, and get ready to make some money. Now, if you're someone who thinks their followers or their friends or their families are interested enough to buy some really cool merchandise from them, go sign up right away. This is your sign.